Mm, yeah. Listen, me know some men have money, some men have fame, but a real man is known by his heart, by his kindness, by his love. Oh Jah, we found a man with an island heart. Me see him walking by the ocean shore, a gentle soul me never met before. Golden sunlight shining on his face, like paradise had found its place. His smile carry warmth like morning sun, a beautiful heart, a rare kind of one. Not just the way he looks so fine, but the love and peace he bring to mind. He hold me hand with respect and care, show me true love is always there. No empty words, no false disguise. Me see honesty inside his eyes. Oh Jah, me give thanks today for sending such a blessing my way. A man with strength, a heart so true, a love that feels brand new. He's the man with the island heart, the one who loved me from the start. Like ocean waves and tropical skies, I see forever in his eyes. He's the man with the island heart, a love so precious, a work of art. Under the moon and palm trees above, he fills my life with endless love. Oh yeah, my island man. Me love the way he cared for me, like a flower beside the sea. He don't just speak, he show his heart. Every day he plays his part, with his island charm and gentle way. He make me smile every day. His laughter sound like reggae tune, dancing with me beneath the moon. No treasure found across the land can match the love inside his hands. A man who listens, a man who stays, a blessing through all my days. Real love don't come from gold, real love cannot be bought. It lives inside a faithful heart, the greatest gift Jah brought. He's the man with the island heart, the one who loved me from the start. Like ocean waves and tropical skies, I see forever in his eyes. He's the man with the island heart, a love so precious, a work of art. Under the moon and palm trees above, he fills my life with endless love. Listen now, from Kingston breeze to island seas, love can grow beneath the trees. A man who stands with dignity is the greatest gift for me. His skin shine warm like sunset glow, his heart brighter than people know. But beauty fades and time moves on, a good heart keeps shining strong. Every sunrise, every night, he make my world feel so bright. With him beside me, I can see a future full of harmony. Oh, hear the waves, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. Not just a face, not just a name, a beautiful heart is what remains. Now every morning I give thanks and pray for the love that came my way. Through every season, through every time, I know he will stand by my side. Let the drums play across the shore, cause we couldn't ask for more. A Caribbean love so strong and true, my heart belongs A beautiful face may catch the eye, but a beautiful heart captures the soul. My island man, forever. Listen and know, some beauty can catch the eye, but some beauty touch the soul. And when me look into your eyes, me see a whole paradise. Oh, Jah, Caribbean eyes that mesmerize me. Me was walking by the shoreline one day, watching the sunset fade away. Then me saw you standing there, with a smile that filled the air. Your eyes shine like the ocean blue, a beautiful story waiting to come true. Something about your gentle stare made me feel love was everywhere. Me never knew a moment so small could make my heart answer the call. One look and me start to see a beautiful future waiting for me. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this sign, for bringing your heart close to mine, like stars shining in the night. Your love bring everything bright. Caribbean eyes that mesmerize me, like waves dancing in the sea. Every time you look my way, you take my breath away. Caribbean eyes that mesmerize me, holding a beauty me never see. Under the moon and island skies, be found forever in your eyes. Oh yeah, Caribbean eyes. Love the way you carry yourself, a heart more precious than anything else. Not just the beauty everybody see, but the kindness living inside thee. Your laughter sound like reggae music, sweet melody, nobody can refuse it. Every word you softly say, bring more sunshine into me day. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more to hold, because true beauty come from within. That's where real love begins. Love is more than what the eyes can see. It's about who you truly be. And every day me discover more, why me I choose you forevermore. Caribbean eyes that mesmerize me, like waves dancing in the sea. Every time you look my way, you take my breath away. Caribbean eyes that mesmerize me, holding a beauty me never see. Under the moon and island skies, me found forever in your eyes. Listen me now, from the first glance to every day, me feel Jah guiding the way. Two hearts moving with one rhythm, like a beautiful island anthem. Your eyes tell stories of love and grace, a peaceful world inside your embrace. Every sunrise, every night, your love keep making everything right. People search for treasures far and wide, but me found mine right by my side. A love so pure, a love so true, a paradise I found in you. Look at the stars, look at the sea, everything beautiful remind me of thee. No painting, no song, no words can explain the magic I feel again and again. Now every morning when the sunlight rise, me see happiness inside your eyes. Every sunset across the shore make me love you even more. Let the drums play, let the island sing, let everybody feel the joy love bring. eyes only look beautiful, but some eyes tell a love story, and yours will always be my paradise. Listen me know, when the sun goes down and the moon begin to shine, that's when me heart remember the love of my island king. Oh Jah, a love written beneath the moonlight. Yeah. Me remember the night by the ocean shore, when your smile made me heart want more. Moon was shining, stars were bright, everything felt so perfect that night. You walk with confidence, you walk with grace, a gentle soul with a beautiful face. But more than looks, me see inside a loving heart you never hide. You hold me close beneath the sky, me felt like time just passed us by. With every whisper, every embrace, we found peace in your space. Oh Jah, we thank you for this blessing true, for bringing me out close to you. Like the moon guides the ocean tide, your love will always be my guide. Moonlight love with my island king, you make my heart forever sing. Under the stars beneath the sky, I see forever in your eyes. Moonlight love with my island king, a beautiful dream that life can bring. Through every season, every night, your love keeps shining like moonlight. Oh yeah, my island king. Me love the way you treat me right, protect me all through day and night. You don't just talk, you show you care, making sure me know you're there. Your island charm and your gentle way bring happiness into every day, like reggae music flowing free. You bring sweet rhythm into me. No gold or riches could compare to the love and respect you share, because our real king wears no crown. His kindness is what makes him stand out. Love is not about what you own, it's about the heart that you have shown. And every day we clearly see the beautiful man you choose to be. Moonlight love with my island king, you make my heart forever sing. Under the stars beneath the sky, I see forever in your eyes. Moonlight love with my island king, a beautiful dream that life can bring. Through every season, every night, your love keeps shining like moonlight. Listen me know, from the Caribbean Sea to the morning sun, me know me found my special one. Not because of the way you look, but because of the love you always give. You stand strong when the winds blow hard, you keep me safe inside your heart. Through every challenge, every test, you remind me love is truly blessed. When the moon rises high above, we feel the magic of our love. Two hearts dancing to one song, together where we both belong. Oh, hear the waves, feel the breeze, moonlight falling through the trees. A king without a crown, a love so rare. Jah bless me when you appear. Now every sunset brings a smile, knowing you will stay a while. Every sunrise, every day, me thank Jah for sending you my way. Let the drums play across the shore, because me couldn't ask for more. Some love shines like sunshine, but some love glows like moonlight. Forever with my island king. Listening on. Some places feel like paradise, some moments feel like magic, but sometimes paradise is found inside somebody's eyes. Oh Jah, your ocean eyes, my island paradise. But the first time I look in your eyes, standing beneath the Caribbean skies, the ocean was calm, the sunset was bright, and your smile made everything feel right. Your eyes carry stories like waves on the shore, a beauty we never felt before. Deep like the ocean, warm like the sun. Me knew right then something special begun. Me don't just see beauty when me look your way, me see love growing stronger every day. A peaceful feeling, a place me can stay, a paradise that never fade away. Oh Jah, me thank you for this gift so true, for bringing me out close to you. Like the moon controls the tide, your love will always be my guide. Your ocean eyes, my island paradise, a beautiful love I see in your eyes, like waves dancing beneath the sun. I know my heart has found the one. Your ocean eyes, my island paradise, a treasure more precious than gold could buy. Under the stars and tropical skies, forever I love those ocean eyes. Oh yeah, your ocean eyes. Oh, me love the way you make me feel safe, the kindness and love you always display. You carry a spirit so gentle and strong. With you beside me, me know where me belong. Like palm trees swaying in the breeze, you bring comfort and bring me peace. Every little thing you do for me feels like waves from the Caribbean. Sign the dance spark, who could ever compare to the love and the art you share? Cause true beauty isn't only what we see, it's the love living deep inside thee. Love is a river, love is a sea, flowing forever between you and me. Jah keep blessing the bond we create, a love so beautiful, a love so great. Your ocean eyes, my island paradise, a beautiful love I see in your eyes, like waves dancing beneath the sun. forever, yeah. Some people find paradise on an island, but me found mine inside your eyes. Yeah. Listen, me know some men catch attention with their style, but a true gentleman captures the art with kindness, respect, and love. Oh, Jah, me found my sweet Caribbean gentleman. Me remember the day you walked my way under the sunshine of a beautiful day. Your smile was warm like morning light, making everything feel so right. Not just the way you look so fine, but the goodness shining from inside. A gentle heart, a peaceful soul, the kind of love that make me whole. You open the door, you hold me and always treating me with respect and understand. No empty words, no foolish games, just true love calling my name. Oh, Jah, me thank you for sending him near. A love so honest, a heart so sincere, like the ocean touching the shore. Me know me found something more. My sweet Caribbean gentleman, the one who makes my heart sing again. With your kindness and your loving way, you bring sunshine to every day. My sweet Caribbean gentleman, a blessing I will always cherish. Under the moon and island skies, I see forever in your eyes. Oh yeah, my Caribbean gentleman. Me love the way you care for me, like a flower beside the sea. You listen when me have something to say, and stand beside me every day. Your strength is not only in your hands, but in the way you understand. A real man with a heart so true, a rare blessing sent through you. Me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more to hold, because true beauty comes from within. That's where a beautiful love begins. Real love is respect, real love is care, real love is knowing somebody always there. Jah bless the heart that loves sincere. My sweet Caribbean gentleman, the one who makes my heart sing again. With your kindness and your loving way, you bring sunshine to every day. My sweet Caribbean gentleman, a blessing I will always cherish. Under the moon and island skies, I see forever in your eyes. Listen me now, from the Caribbean breeze to the morning sun, me know me found my special one. Not because of riches or fame, but because your heart never changed. Your laughter sound like island music, sweet melody, nobody can lose it. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream come true. When the world gets heavy and cold, you remind me of your love you hold. Through every storm and every tide, you stay right here by my side. Oh, hear the waves, feel the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. A gentleman with a loving heart, a blessing from the very start. No crown upon your head, but kindness makes you a king instead. Now every sunrise feels more bright, knowing you are in my life. Every sunset across the sea brings another memory. Let the drums play along the shore, cause me couldn't handsome face may catch the eye, but the beautiful heart captures the soul. My sweet Caribbean gentleman. Yeah, yeah. Listen me now. Some love feel like sunshine, some love feel like the ocean breeze. But when you hold me close, me feel a fire that never fades. Oh, Jah, island fire in your loving arms. Oh, yeah. Me remember the first night we met, a moment we could never forget. Under the stars by the Caribbean Sea, you brought out something beautiful in me. Your smile shine like the morning light. Your love make everything feel right. Not just the way you look so fine, but the heart and soul you share with mine. When you pull me close and call me name, me feel a sweet and gentle flame, like a fire burning warm and bright, keeping me safe through every night. Oh, Jah, me thank you for this love so true, for bringing me out close to you, like the waves that meet the shore. Me love you more and more. Island fire in your loving arms, where me heart find peace and calm, like the sunset touching the sea. Your love bring happiness to me. Island fire in your loving arms, I feel it stronger than any storm, through every season, every tide. I want you right here by my side. Oh yeah, island fire, me love the way you treat me right. Your love shine through the darkest night. You bring laughter when we need a smile, make every moment worthwhile. Your island charm and gentle way bring happiness into every day, like reggae music flowing free. You bring sweet rhythm into me. No diamond ring, no treasure gold could match the love you give and hold, because our heart that loves sincere is the greatest treasure near. Real love have a special flame, one that never burn in vain. With respect and honesty, love grows stronger endlessly. Island fire in your loving arms, where me heart find peace and calm, like the sunset touching the sea. Your love bring happiness to me. Island fire in your loving arms, a feeling stronger than any storm, through every season, every tide. I want you right here by my side. Listen me now, me don't need paradise far away, because me found mine today. In the warmth of your embrace, me found my happy place. Every sunrise, every moonlight glow shows how deep our love can grow, like a flame protected from the rain. Our love keep burning again and again. When the world gets cold outside, I know your love will be my guide. Two hearts moving to one song, together where we both belong. Feel the ocean, feel the breeze, hear the music through the trees. This fire, this love, this blessing from above, no storm can take away what Jah create today. Oh, now every morning we give thanks and pray for the love that came my way. Every touch and every smile make this journey worthwhile. for a moment, but true love burns forever. Island fire in your loving arms.